Good morning. I just got back from dropping Will off at school, so I'm still cold, so I'm keeping the hat on. Siri and I are getting ready to start our work day. She's very excited because my reams of printer paper came yesterday, and I cut the plastic zip tie to open the box, and she thinks it's the best thing in the entire universe. So on the agenda today, I'm going to finish working on new designs, and I need to fill the cups for the made to order lattes and stuff that were ordered that need to go out this week. I am working on mittens. I know that's shocking. I never work on mittens, but I'm working on mittens today. But I can show you the back and show you how fuzzy it is. And this is where I'm going to open up the mitten to let out, or to make them convertible, which I might show that when I do it. I learned it off of YouTube, of course, but that's how I do all my convertible mittens now. But yeah, so I'm gonna go ahead and get started and try to ensure that Siri doesn't chew up all the paper. So Siri likes to lay in the window, and the sun gets very hot. So when the sun gets too hot, rather than move, Siri will yell and attack the window. Sir Cat, why don't you just get up? She's not doing it as much now, but she will attack the window because she's hot. Oh, she's so mad. You are indeed hot, child. You need to get up. Oh, she's so mad. She says, don't touch me. I'm so hot. It's so awful. It's awful. If only I was smart enough to get up. So, I'm almost done sculpting. I just finished all of the cups. I have 6 Anne of Green Gables to do. The characters do take me the longest, so I tend to leave them last, and then I think I need to be done sculpting. I think I need to be done sculpting for the day. Even though I have other ideas I really want to do, I need to be conscious of the fact that it is noon on Thursday, and I still need to paint and glaze and then get packaging going. So today has been a little crazy. I just have been busy getting things ready for my mom's wedding, sculpting and stuff, and I keep forgetting it's Thursday, and so I've been trying to glaze and get things ready to ship tomorrow, get new designs ready to photograph, and I had hoped I would have everything ready to photograph. I had hoped to be able to get everything photographed by today so I could release previews, but that did not happen, so I'm trying to just be content with what I did get done. But then, as I was sitting down this evening, I realized that I forgot to sculpt 4 Grimm teacups. So I need to do that tonight because the glue to secure the teacup to the saucer has to dry overnight. And I thought while I did that, there's no reason not to have another batch of charms, their glaze drying. So that's what I'm doing right now. I'm taking the charms off of the paper clips. Found out that I have an emergent hat knitting situation. My mom, for the wedding, which is next week, by the way, that's why I keep talking about it. She wants to get family pictures taken, and it's probably going to be pretty chilly, so she had said something about us wearing hats, and I realized that I really would like for me and Adam to have new cabled hats. It seems like every time I knit something for Adam, something goes wrong. And so all the hats that he has, I am just not happy with. So I'm gonna follow the antler hat pattern, which I've made in the past, and it was a really beautiful knit. I'm using bulky weight yarn because he and I have really big heads, and so like when I say emergent, I'm sure I could find a hat somewhere that would fit us, but I'm not sure I could find a hat somewhere that would fit us within the next week. So anyway, I'm gonna get all of this finished and get this vlog edited, and hopefully tomorrow will be a little bit calmer.